Today in the art of the face, with a touch of grace, we are going to talk about bronzer. Bronzer brings forth warmth. As we mature, our faces a lot of times loses warmth as we had when we were younger. It is the sunlight touching the canvas. So where does it go? It can start in the hairline, yes, in the temple, because it's not a lot of color. It's just warmth through the cheekbones and over the bridge of your nose. But you want to avoid heavy bronzing. So make sure when you're tapping in, you're just taking the blush and bronzer brush, the bunny end, the big fluffy end, and tapping very lightly in your bronzer. And again, let's do the method over and over. Another area you can do is your neck. So if your neck is a lot lighter than your face, then you definitely want to apply a bronzer down your neck. You won't want to apply your main foundation or your contour. Use a bronzer. You need warmth back in your neck. So we're going to tap into the bronzer, a couple taps, and go downward. This won't transfer to your clothes, but it's going to bring your neck or your chest area matching your face. So tap lightly downward. For mature skin, bronzer should warm up the face, not age it. Glow, not tan. And that completes today's lesson on Art of the Face, bronzing. And remember, here, makeup is never rushed, never harsh, and never about fixing. It's about honoring your face, taught with a little bit of grace. Thank you for being here, and watch the next lesson where I'll be teaching Art of the Face and using an illuminator. See you then.